Y'all listen up, man. If you are an active trader, preferably a new trader, and you are struggling to grow an account, right? Every trade you take, you think the markets are against you. If you're long or short, the opposite happens. Whatever the case may be, if you fall in line with that or similar to that, this 8-minute video will tell you why most traders feel that same exact way, and probably you too. Hope it helps.
What's going on, y'all? I'm ES Morg. Some of y'all may know me, some of y'all may not, but if you don't know me, here's my Instagram that you could go to, and I guarantee you, if you just check out my Instagram, you will learn every single thing about me, okay? But don't want to get sidetracked because I'm actually making this for traders. I'm making this video one time because I guarantee you, this one video will single-handedly up your win rate, your P&L, your profitability, whatever you want to call it, okay? This one video will help you. How will it help you? Because my principles, okay, my setups that I look for, okay, my trade management rules, my whole philosophy on trading is so fucking logical. I don't know if we could curse on here, but I just did, so it's kind of too late. But it is so logically correct that it can't not help you unless you do not follow it, right? So let's get right to it. Don't want to waste too much time because I really don't have that much time to waste. But like I said, if you want to know anything about me, go to my Instagram, 1ESMorg. But let's get right to it. So, had to make this video because I was getting this question a lot from new traders. Why do the trades I take, they go against me? Why do I feel like the markets are against me? Everything I do is wrong. Like, we've all been through it, okay? The reason you feel like that is because you do not know how the markets move, okay? And it's pretty simple, okay? So first off, the markets move in only two ways, okay? Consolidating or basing or chopping, whatever you want to call it. And the other mode is trending. Okay, so there's trending and chopping, right? So here's a trading view chart I published. When was this? March 21st, 2024. Okay, when I was explaining to somebody on a one-on-one of why they aren't consistently profitable. And like I said, first off, they need to know the two ways markets move, trending and chopping, okay? The problem is that most traders, and especially new traders, every trade that they take, they are hoping that a trend move happens. So if they enter long, they hope that that long trends up. If they go short, they are hoping that the short trends down. Here's the thing. Trend moves, right? So if prices only move in two ways, right? So that's trending and chopping, okay? Trending only happens about 15 to 20% of the time, okay? The other 80 to 85%, unfortunately, that's chopping, consolidating, basing, whatever you want to call it, right? So if every trade you take, you are trying to catch a trend move, and by the way, I've highlighted it out on the chart, right? So these green shaded areas are the trend moves, and the red shaded areas are the consolidation periods, okay? If every trade you take, you are trying to catch the trend moves, which, by the way, if you don't know, they happen pretty quick, okay? See, the average trend move will happen takes about 1 to 3 hours, right? But as day traders, and especially new traders, you're sitting there trying to catch trades all day, okay? Here's the thing. The trend moves happen too quick, and you end up missing the move, and now you spend the whole time in the consolidation periods trying to hope for another trend move when the trend move has already happened, okay? Pro tip, and you can write this down, you can take this to the bank, you can teach your kids, okay? After consolidation periods, it is inevitable for a trend move to happen, either up or down, okay? And then vice versa. After every trend leg, it is inevitable for consolidation periods to happen. The price will never just continue trending without ever consolidating. And the price will never consolidate, and just never trend, okay? So all you have to do is make sure your trade management, okay, your principles and the setups you are looking for is derived and based off of level to level moves. Why? Because like I said, if the price moves 80 to 85% of the time, it chops, it consolidates, it bases, whatever you want to call it, okay, that's level to level trading, then you cannot expect for most of your trades to go through multiple levels. Okay. So, and if you trade, you should know what levels are. If you don't, you need to take some beginner courses. Levels are the ABCs of trading. Every trader should have them on their charts. Okay. But that'll be for another video. Just talking about why people are not consistently profitable. It's because they do not trade level to level. When prices move level to level 85 to 90% of the time. Okay. So, can I zoom in on it? Perfectly. So these are the levels, right? So these are the levels that I drew on my chart March 21st. Okay. And as you can see, and also this is also why they don't try to trade level to level, because they think these are small moves, right? And I don't know what you trade, Forex, crypto, stock options, whatever, but I trade futures. Okay. And so like this right here, right? A rookie trader would be like, okay, I want to enter here and I want to take this to Valhalla. I want to take this to the heavens, right? Bro, this level to level move, if you entered here and exited here, right? Level to level move, this is 52.30 to 52.36. This is a 3-point move. I mean, a 6-point move. I'm sorry. If you're trading just one ES contract, and by the way, if you don't know what ES is, that's basically the futures version of the S&P 500. So it tracks SPX, SPY, right? Those all move the exact same. So that's what that is, right? But a 6-point move on ES, that's $300 if you're trading one contract. So you got to think of people like me who's trading 5 to 10 contracts, okay? So these level to level moves are what grow accounts. These are what bring you consistent gains. Why do it bring you consistent gains? Because prices move level to level 80 to 85% of the time. Okay, you cannot be going for these home run trades every trade. And by the way, even when you do catch these home run trades, you wasn't looking for, you was trading level to level. Okay, your runners is what kept going. Okay, your main position should always be scaled out level to level, in case you did not know. Okay, and if you don't know, if you're trying to take your whole position multiple levels, that's why you're getting 80% of your trades go from green to red, or never went green in the first place. Okay, so hopefully that just cleared it up for y'all. Okay, if you want to up your P&L, your profitability, your win rate, whatever you want to call it, okay, you must trade level to level. Okay, if you've noticed, and let me see, this was the 15-minute chart, right? So all these candlesticks are 15 minutes. If you noticed how small, how quick the trend moves happen compared to the consolidation periods. And here you are looking for every trade to do this when it only happens 10-15% of the time. Okay, so you're already putting yourself at a disadvantage because you're trading against something. Your strategies and the setups you're looking for is based off of something that only happens 10 to 15% of the time. Okay, you have to stop that. Okay, so like I said, first you need to learn the 2 ways the markets move. Okay, trending or chopping. Then you need to realize that the markets trend only 15% of the time, and the other 85% they chop. Okay, so your strategies, the setups you look for, the principles and your trade management rules need to be derived from level to level trading, so you can catch consolidation periods, because that's what happens majority of the time. Hope this helps. I'm out.